Hi guys, we're going to hem our Christmas presents exchange gift. We're going to unbox our presents. So, wait kayo dyan. May gift ako sa asawa ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging reaction niya. Nag-makeup pa ako para lang maging good looking tayo ngayon. Christmas. Matatawa ako. Papakita ko yung mga gifts. Same color lang na yan. So, ito, ang unang bubuksan ko. Ayan. Oh, let's start with the smallest one. Smallest size. So, ito yung pinakamaliit. Oh, let's start with the heaviest one, the lightest one.
Okay, just open.
So, ito yung mas magaan. So, ito yung bubuksan natin. Baksan naman niya, brown. Brown. I thought this is your gift. This is from Best Buy. Oh. Pipikit ako para surprise. I will close my eyes and remove the bubbles and then see what's inside. And then, ano kaya to? May pa-heart. Ang daming box. Maraming box. Ano kaya to? Ooh! It's a Fred Meyer jewelry. It's a necklace. It's a necklace. This is from my husband. First gift jewelry. Thank you, love. And then, may isa pang box. Ano kaya to? And once again, another box. Ang daming box. And it's an earring. A couple earring and necklace. Thank you. Ito po siya. And that's the first box. And
Pause that.
yeah.
Oh.
This one. Thank you. And then this is the second one. Open. Oh, PS4.
Yeah, that's not good.
Huh? It's a internet.
No.
I don't know. Are you sure this is mine?
No, I don't think so.
Are you sure? What? Did you? This name Marla.
Yeah, but
Are you sure this is mine?
oh yeah.
Okay. I'll just make sure this is mine. Internet cable. So, internet siya guys. Ano kaya to? Wow! Pantin. Pero hindi na ako hiyang ng pantin. Nag-love na ako. Magpalit na ako ng shampoo. Kasi yung buhok ko dito nakakalibo. So, thank you for the 1 year.
Yeah.
1 year's what's the supply. And then let's start for the third one. Oh, and then it's a ano tawag dito? What do you call this?
Let's see.
It's ang tawag di awan ko basta assorted na chuvanes. It's like a scrub.
Yeah.
Everything. And then let us see the biggest one. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Huwag natin ha? Oh, baka may mababasag. Kaya yung mga ibang gifts, hindi ko na nilagay sa carton kasi mga ano lang siya, mga garbage lang. Kaya nirap ko na lang sa wrapper. Woo! What's this? Oh, this is a sunbeam heated throw. Parang ano siya. Kung pillow. It's a blanket.
Yeah.
Electric blanket. Kasi
Cover blanket.
winter na kasi kailangan ng pampainit, pero mas masarap pa rin yung pampainit ng asawa ko. Ay, cha! And that's it. And it's my husband's turn to open his stuff. And it's gonna be a surprise. So, let's watch him. Kasi last year, I didn't give a lot of stuff for my husband. He bought a lot for me. But this time, I got some stuff for him. Simple gifts for him. Yeah, very simple. I give him underwears. Yeah. I gave him underwears. It's champion because my husband is champion. Yeah.
Oh, wow, nice shirts.
Look. Do you like the color?
Yeah, I do. I actually do like the card. Oh, these are nice, baby.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I like the color, the type of fabric.
Yeah,
It's soft.
it is.
And then my special gift for him. I hope he's gonna like it. Brand from warehouse.
Champagne, probably. Yeah, with champagne.
Yeah, I bought him champagne. Because I know walang store open ngayon. And then walang isa. Sakto lang.
Yeah, I need these. Thank you.
Quits lang kami. Nagbigay siya ng shampoo. Nagbigay din ako ng gamit niya sa sarili.
All right.
So, that's it. So,
You're missing one. Did I wrap it when you go in?
So that's it, guys. I hope you're gonna like it. You like the videos, and then all of those stuffs are for our friend, and then for the kids and for her daughter. So that's all for this year, and another.
Baby,
Yeah.
I forgot to wrap one.
Which one? Oh, may isa pa daw pahabol, guys. Woo! What's this? Perfume.
White diamond.
Oh. Perfume, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I know I forgot to.
Yeah. That's it, guys. So that's all for today. Thank you. Merry Christmas and a blessed Happy New Year. Bye-bye.